Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about ratio statements. Let's get started. Today, we are going to be using the learn, review, and practice method. The first thing I want to go over is we are going to learn some key words. The two key words that I want to talk to you today is there are, for every, or to. So for every or to mean the same thing. That's why I put them right next to each other. In these white bullet points here, I have given the meaning for this. And there are is used to start a statement. And for every or to is used in the middle of the statement to state the next number. Now we are going to review a ratio statement. The first thing that we need to do is read the statement. The second thing that we need to do is identify the key words to make sure it is a ratio statement. And I have given the two key words here. There are, for every, or to. Write the corresponding ratio to the statement. And this is if it is necessary. Let's review this one more time. The first thing we need to do is read the statement. The second thing we need to do is identify the keywords to make sure it is a ratio statement. The third thing that we need to do is write the corresponding ratio to the statement, and this is if it is necessary. Now we are going to practice. The first thing that we need to do is identify the ratio statement, then write the matching ratio that goes with it. So let's hop on to our first problem here, and let's go back to our review slide where it talked about the first thing that we need to do, and that is read the statement. There are 3 picture books for every 4 chapter books. The next thing we need to do is identify the key words to make sure it is a ratio statement. We have there are right here. And if we go down over here, we are stating our next number right before, and right before that, it is for every. So we have for every, and then we state our next number. So this has the two keywords, and it fits in our ratio statement perfectly. So we can conclude that this is a ratio statement. The next thing that we have to do is write the corresponding ratio to the statement, if it is necessary. Here, our problem is giving us a box to write our ratio. So, the first thing that we need to do is look at our first number. That goes right after there are. So our first number is going to be 3. You have to put our ratio sign. This means for every. And then put our second number. We are comparing picture books to chapter books. Now, let's do the second problem. The second problem states, there are 20 red markers to 6 blue markers. So, let's look at our first thing that we need to do. First thing that we need to do is we read the problem, and that's what we did. The second thing we need to do is identify the key words, and that we have there are and to over here. Now we need to see what we're comparing, red markers to blue markers. So our ratio will be 20 to 6. That's it, everyone.